The 2014 Ferrari 412 pickup by London Supercar Workshop. It's not every day that you see a car like the 1989 Ferrari 412 get transformed into something that goes against everything the Prancing Horse stands for. But somehow, London Supercar Workshop owner and founder Ello, yes, that's his name, managed to do it and more. History Channel's Ultimate Wheels follows the exploits of Ello as he sets out and puts his brushstroke on great cars, transforming them into, well, the title of the show. In this particular instance, Ello set his sights on the aforementioned Ferrari 412, giving it a Jekyll and Hyde transformation that essentially turned the Italian supercar into a pickup truck. Yes, a pickup truck. It does seem a little blasphemous to even consider butchering a Ferrari and turn it into something that isn't a supercar, but for what it's worth there's a method to Ello's madness, something that can't be explained by simply looking at the finished product. Click past the jump to read more about the Ferrari 412 pickup by London Supercar Workshop. Ferrari 412 pickup by London Supercar Workshop in detail. The first order of business was removing almost a foot 11 feet 8 inches, to be exact, of the 412's roof to clear space for a 3-foot load bed at the back. To his credit, Ello at least used teak wood to panel the rear bed, thoughtfully paying homage to luxury yachts. Right after that, improvements to the rear suspension were made to increase the car's sturdiness, especially now that the rear section has a totally different purpose entirely. On the front end of the conversion, a shotgun scoop bonnet was added into the mix while the rear section gets a new bespoke exhaust system that can alternately shift the identity of the car from its new pickup traits and back to its old performance origin. And as another thoughtful hat tip to Ferrari, Ello decided to finish up his work by dressing up the 412 pickup with a Rosso red paint job. How thoughtful of the man!
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.